Park Students Association case vandalizes BJP office at Nitya Pachatek. Bharatiya Janata Party National President Amit Shah goes door-to-door campaign to voters at Chingmirong, Mamanglekai. And election duty officers to cease their work if their remuneration is not revised. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Park Students Association case vandalized BJP office, finding no party leader at the office when they came to protest against delay of 1,528 fake encounter cases trial. The irate students barred the closed gate of the office at Nitya Pachatek and destroyed many office properties. The police personnel on guard duty remained as spectators while the students freely destroyed doors and windows, chairs in the conference hall, CCTV camera and others. After the destruction continued over 5 minutes, the students hurriedly left the office. Meanwhile, members of KSA also stormed MPCC office at Congress Bhavan in the same demand. But the students could not continue with their protest because of the tight security. Later on, a memorandum was submitted to MPCC Secretary. For the first time ever in Manipur, Bharatiya Janata Party National President Amit Shah went door-to-door campaign to woo voters at Chingmirong, Mamanglekai under Wangkai Assembly constituency. BJP candidate in Wangkai Assembly constituency, Y. Iraport, Union HRD Minister Prakash Javadekar, BJP General Secretary, Administration Thongam Biswajit and several party leaders attended the campaign. In the election rally, where various slogans were chanted by the supporters of BJP, President Amit Shah gave pamphlet to every house, which includes the works to be taken up by the party, and many families also took photographs with him. On the other hand, youths of Lai Ingkhol submitted memorandum to save the land of Lai Ingkhol. Speaking at the event, Union HRD Minister Prakash asserted BJP, unlike other political parties, go hand in hand with the people.
हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह मणिपुर के वोटर के घर घर जाकर मिले हैं. दिस इज यूनिक बीजेपी प्रोग्राम. इन एवरी इलेक्शन 1 week बिफोर द वोटिंग वी गो डोर टू डोर, टॉक टू द फैमिली एंड गिव देम पैम्पलेट and request them to vote BJP. This is called mass contact program, booth contact program. और इसमें आज अमित शाह जी आए, इराबोट जी के कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में घरों में जाकर उन्होंने देखा और सबसे बात भी की. फैमिलीज वेर थ्रिल्ड, क्योंकि बाकी पार्टियां ऐसा बिहेव करते कि नेता अलग, नेता हवा में उड़ रहा है और जनता नीचे है. लेकिन दिस इज ओनली बीजेपी, which president of which national president goes to door and participate.
BJP National President Amit Shah said failure of the Congress-ruled Manipur government to provide utilization certificates for the centre sanctioned developmental works in the proof for their corruption. Speaking at a political meeting held at Yumnam Laikai Yumjau Lairenbi ground, Mr. Shah assured of providing one job for each and every household if BJP is voted to power. He alleged the Ibobi-led Congress government for not taking up any developmental works in its 15 years rule except for corruption. He said Manipur is a significant state like any other big states like UP, and that is the reason big leaders of BJP have been frequenting their visit in Manipur. He also said Manipur will progress and will be free from all the current impasse only when Congress party is wiped out from the state. He is short of making Manipur more beautiful than Switzerland and attract many tourists. BJP National President Amit Shah asserted that the state is lagging behind in development works due to the failure to hold talks with the UG groups in hilly regions. Speaking at a one-day political conference held at Ukhrul district headquarter mission ground, attended by BJP candidates in Ukhrul, Chingai and Pungyar constituencies in Ukhrul district, Amit Shah said if BJP is voted to power in this assembly election, the conspiracy surrounding the construction of the proposed sports university will be resolved and BJP will complete its construction within 2 months. He alleged Congress-ruled Manipur government is of ignoring the tourism potentials of Manipur and is short of taking up developmental works for the hilly regions sidelined by the Congress party in its 15 years rule. The conference was also attended by BJP Manipur Pradesh President K.S.H. Bhavananda and MP Prahlad Singh Patel.
तो स्वर्ग से भी सुंदर ये मणिपुर की भूमि है। ये मणिपुर की भूमि में दुनिया भर के टूरिस्टों को आकर्षित करने की ताकत पड़ी है, मगर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है और जो अंडरग्राउंड हथियारी ग्रुप चलते हैं उनको सरकार नष्ट नहीं करती। ये दोनों के कारण यहाँ का टूरिज्म विकसित नहीं हुआ है।
District Magistrate Imphal East Ningthautam Geoffrey has prohibited holding meeting or procession in connection with the election and holding or arranging the holding of any musical concert or any theatrical performance or any other entertainment or amusement with a view to attract the public for propagating any election-related matter to the public. Geoffrey in a press release said the prohibition applies in a whole area of revenue district of Imphal East for the period between 3 p.m. on March 2nd to 3 p.m. on March 4th. CCSK, UCM and CADA jointly organized a rally yesterday evening demanding to disclose the framework agreement signed between Indian government and NSC and IM in 2015. The rally flagged off from Lamshang Bazaar and concluded at Iroshimba. Participants chanted slogans such as "Don't politicize framework agreement," "Disclose framework agreement," "Long live Manipur," etc. The election officers will cease their duty because of the low remuneration. The duty officers today submitted a memorandum to revise their remuneration at Imphal East DC, failing which they will cease their duty. According to a report from the EECI, presiding officer and polling officer will be paid DA 250 to 350 per day, while flying squad, video surveillance team, expenditure monitoring cell, income tax officer will be paid approximately rupees 1,000 and 1,200 for the whole period of their duty. Flying squad team magistrate, Yai School Assembly constituency, Yendrin Bam Sanajauba expressed disappointed at the pay scale for just rupees 20 per day for their duty since January 4th, the day the code of conduct was enforced with no holiday. He reiterated they will cease their duty if remuneration is not revised at the earliest.
Team mayam singsi wages the lump sum the 1,200. Ada thani ki paroga di nomuda lupa kun ki sang khakta asugum film si lak padagi di khoi election thabak tawjari ba khoi mayam jing han na ba akhoi na kano da di project se man request taw bodagi election di kai ba da bani na madigi duty di satpiro haidana khoi yana tholopani election je tarik mari dani ko ngasi tarik amani ado kari gumari ba se tawtra ga di khoi
Hectic campaign is going on for the state assembly election in Manipur. The 60-member state assembly is going to polls on the 4th and 8th of this month. Altogether, 168 candidates, including 9 women candidates, are contesting in the ensuing state assembly elections. BJP is fielding candidates in all 60 seats, Congress in 59, National People's Party in 20, Naga People's Front in 15, and Lok Janashakti Party in 70 seats. Just 3 days are left to go to polls for the first phase of the Manipur Legislative Assembly election, and star campaigners of BJP, Congress, National People's Party, Naga People's Front and Lok Janashakti Party are trying hard to draw the attention of the state's electorates to win as many seats as possible. BJP President Amit Shah addressed election conference in Kangpokpi and Moirang, while Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi addressed election conference in Imphal. All other political parties are also campaigning full swing in all parts of the state. Mr. Shah is addressing election rallies in Ukhrul and Imphal today. He promised an all-round development and corruption-free and blockade-free government in Manipur if BJP is voted to power. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi said that the NDA government at the centre has done nothing for the development of Manipur during the last 2.5 years. Rajya Sabha's Manipur President and Present MP Abdul Salam passed away around 9 in Raj Medicity yesterday. The 16th MP and first Muslim MP of Manipur was reportedly admitted to the hospital because of an illness. Abdul Salam is 69 from Haibung Makhung village under Wabga Assembly constituency of Thobal district. He was the 3 times MLA from Wabga Assembly constituency. He was the Minister of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj from 1997 till 1999 and Cooperation, Minorities and Backward Classes from 2002 till 2004. He was not only the member of AICC but also the Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Committee. He has also worked as a member of Public Account Committee, Government Assurance Committee, Welfare of Women and Children Program Committee and Petition Committee during his journey as MLA. He was born on 1st March 1948 and survived by his wife and 1 son and 5 daughters. JAC formed against the death of Thaunautam Shyam Sundar from Kaibi Kumudu demanded re-inquiry into the death case. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, JAC co-convener Moirangthem Priyokumar said Shyam Sundar, who was admitted at RIMS, died due to the negligence of doctors on February 8. He said the hospital inquiry report said no doctor is involved in the death. He said the child died as no doctor was available when the health of the child deteriorated. He demanded to make a re-inquiry after RIMS Dr. Chito, who works at Raj Medicity, and his juniors are suspended.
Inquiry is the patient side conventional lobby day, and the Makoy Katang Doraga, Makoy Maran, inquiry report Toloponeva. And the inquiry was acceptable song away. I'm going to inquiry to the inquiry to the patient party, me on the Akway to come and lobby. Plus, the Sagi doctor, the Sagi inquiry to Kim the same Canada, didn't Katangi me with Bigano. The inquiry to Womatam, Towing Manushida, the kids generally Dr. Chito, in charge of Dr. Chito, the Magi Mahata doctor, and the staff Sindo, temporarily Moy Krantopio, suspend Topio, inquiry to Matunda, Maralate, Amana, and Jasano, Aduga, Marale to limit Habigano.
Time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. As election draw nearer, reports of scuffles and violence are also surfacing from Mayang Imphal. Yesterday evening, unidentified persons wearing face masks trashed BJP workers at Imphal Konchak and Konchak Machin. They also destroyed a vehicle. The perpetrators were said to be armed with swords and sticks. Meanwhile, in another incident at Mayang Imphal Konchak Machin, marksmen threatened the passengers in a Tata DI and looted their mobile phones and later drowned the vehicle in a nearby pond. Chanambam Ronald said he was returning from a friend's place at Uchiwa around 11:30 p.m. when upon reaching in front of Congress Party's office at Konchak Mayailekai, Mayang Imphal, an identified person stopped his car and asked if he was returning from canvassing votes by distributing money, and they started searching his car. Later, they pelted stones at the white car they were riding, Swift Desire bearing registration number MN01S5751. Ronald expressed the incident to be election-related and suspects it to be initiated by the opposition party. He appealed to concerned authorities to look into the matter as soon as possible.
Moigi Malti Mikarana, Haiba Garizi, Rovindro, I'm Toina Sabina Garini, Masian Tugai, have Moig Malti Mivo, Haideva. Adikaravana, Bashapa Migi Garini Tugaiona. I do a guide from the Mahodi Ibanese, Montado, even Hino Museleva. moi na khoi da mun na hangin noi vote ke chalo ba noi vote ke chap mal paisa yema chap mal khoi kaim da chapra te noi tawning ba check loi taw ko ai gari loi hang thol ma ham da check taw ga oi khoi pasana ai hai ba gari thom dum khop mo ado yi hol ko ni khoi icham cham chachale pajama da bo politics posal ga khoi daki akan phawon ba ji khoi matung da muk halok ba khoi thong da ba mayam gi thong dai haijari.
On the other hand, reports also say the Mayang Imphal Konchak machine incident wherein the Tata DI bearing registration number MN01K6840, which was blocked by the unidentified marksmen and robbed the 7 passengers' mobile phones. The driver of the said vehicle, Bulbas Khan, son of Komai from Pobok Chow Yumnam Lairak, was abducted by the marksmen and the driver's whereabouts is still unknown. Haishnam Susila, a resident of Mayang Imphal Thana Awang Laikai, said the incident occurred on its return journey after picking up someone from Komlakhong. She further said the marksmen stopped the vehicle, accusing them for canvassing election votes by distributing money, and asked the passengers to get off the vehicle and started searching the vehicle and snatched away their mobile phones, and later the driver was abducted. It may be mentioned that Bulbas Khan works as a driver for BJP candidate K. Robindro. An appeal is made to the ECI to look into the matter and take up necessary actions before the election, which ensues is just another 2 days.
Atay the complaint over Pamzade. Ngasi Manipur gi oina leriba election commission gi CEO Masada direct aina complaint tawjaraga election gi damakta sigumba sahin ahin chabagi thabak chathabaje CEO Masada tawga ECI da tharaga ngasi amuk tang ding ngasi mihat minai Sagumba matu pala ma khoi li chase amuk tang awan ba porak na ba matam da ECI da thaba pamjai hujimak akoi gi driver hujik lak udri phangdri aiju isa thakat lagal lei election commission gi CEO Masada direct masigi vichar tawbiu.
Flag hoisting events still continue even as election is just 2-3 days away. Manipur National Democratic Front MNDF candidate in Andhra constituency Kaisham Ningthim Jao Singh hoisted a party flag today at his residence at Yairipog, Top Chinka, which was organized by 7 Andhra Kendra United Progressive Election Committee. Party leaders and leaders of its ally Left and Democratic Front LDF attended the event. MNDF working president Bijoy Khoijam alleged BJP and Congress as which do not think for the betterment of Manipur. He said these two parties, while praising themselves, fail to look into the needs of the people. He said MNDF will do any work for the state boldly. Speaking at the event, LDF convener Dr. M. Nara asserted BJP and Congress, though they are different parties, they have the same politics. He alleged the two parties have only given hardships to the people and it is time to have a new party. People from different walks of life from the area attended the event.
Okay, so one national party singna state asida sakot khongthang amasung tongan wakana bibigi mohta makhogi party asi hene kalli leba ki hene thabuk tawi amasung praja ki khalle hai utpana makhogi mathau oina tawwa issue ma tawum tamda issue ma lakon tamda iromdom natraga gamen aduna diesel lobum daba maramdi high command yaugna di lobum daba adugumba party hatani
sason kuina pairakpagi manungda Senja Thumja Masung Achan Mirai Naiba. Handapu Assembly election Lauthuk Amdai Swaida Manipur ki Sarkar Sigi Congress Sarkar Sigi Makada Lairiba Department Sing the Tabak Hapa Assembly Yauna Maduda Paisha Kam Ting Nagesi Mayam Luin Kangbiram Wanida Tambat Mina Tajaroi the Tabak to Maktane Manipur Twis.
Flag hoisting cum blessing ceremony of Congress candidate D. Korungthang in Tengnopal constituency was held at a ground near Hill Tribal Council office More today. Speaking at the event, Korungthang said INC is in governance so far because of love and trust by the people. He appealed not to trust the babbles of BJP, which hasn't taken up any developmental works yet, and further requested to cast vote only for the candidates who will fulfill their needs and desires. Various offerings were brought in by the women folks of the constituency at the ceremony attended by MP Thangso Baite and other party representatives. A political meeting of Congress candidate in Andhra constituency, MLA Thongnaucham Shyam Kumar, was held at Huikap, Awang Laikai today in connection with the 11th Assembly election to be held on 4th of March. BJP candidate Nimai Chanluang and Bharatiya Janata Party were strongly criticized by the speakers in the meeting. Speaking at the meeting, MLA TH Shyam Kumar mocked Nimai Chanluang, saying he will leave Andhra for Sikkim after the announcement of election result on 11th of March. He asserted that Congress will win the election with more than 10,000 votes. He said even if Nimai Chanluang wooed the voters with false promises, people will not trust him blindly. MLA Shyam Kumar said Nimai Chanluang can be referred as criminal number one as he did many mischiefs during his ministership.
When all the opposite was like movie, like even that Hangba, Haiba, Alumani, Brazil, Semaro, Brazil, Mani, and Arambi, Delaga, Milan, and Pavo, and Rogan Pazazina, Cinemachaluan, criminal, a criminal, nothing, and what machine, one,
National leaders of Lok Jan Shakti Party LJP arrived in Imphal today to campaign for the upcoming assembly election. Speaking to media persons at Hotel Classic Grande, Dalit Sena National President Ram Chandra Paswan said there is no assurance of forming alliance with BJP in the state, even though the party in his alliance at center. He said state leaders will take the decision to ally with which party in the state. Manipur Students Federation warns vendors and businessmen in Manipur of stringent actions against them if they are found adulterating or selling commodities at exorbitant rates. MSF in a press release further appeals the public to be careful while buying commodities. Now in sports. In the 14th match of the MCA Luangpokpa T20 cricket trophy played today, UCC Uripok won the toss and elected to bat first and scored 89 runs for 8 in 20 overs. In reply, SCCC Singtamai reached a target runs in just 14.4 overs, losing only 2 wickets, winning the match by 8 wickets. In another match winning the toss, PTRC Patsoi Part 4 elected to bat first and made 115 runs for 5 in 20 overs. In reply, Cham Kangempli lost all the wickets in 19.3 overs, making 108 runs, losing the match by 7 runs. KIYC K3 Iril Mapal played Trau Kwakaithil, while TCMDC Thongju will play Cyclone Thangmaban tomorrow. Model Club B Chingamaka has declared victory in the 14th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the 4th league match played today, Model Club B Chingamaka won the toss and batted first, making 149 runs for 7 wickets in 30 overs. In this inning, Denim, Pyarelal and Baleshwar made 47, 32 and 20 runs respectively. In the second inning, Chaching Cricket Club made 103 for 10 wickets in 23.3 overs, losing the match by 46 runs. Model Club B Chingamaka's all-rounder Demin was declared man of the match. 10 teams are participating in a tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association at Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School playground. In the 5th league match tomorrow, Model Club A Chingamaka will face Nauriya Pakang Lakpa Sporting Association Ka Imphal. ARC Haikrummakong won the first 786 trophy 7A side open football tournament. In the final match played today, ARC Haikrummakong beat Nganba FC Kairang 2-0 to lift the trophy. Mohammad Chauba and Riaz netted 2 winning goals for the winner. 786 Sporting Club Kairang Mayailai Kai organized the tournament. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Tanglai Park Students Association case vandalizes BJP office at Nitya Park today. Bharatiya Janata Party National President Amit Shah goes door-to-door campaign to woo voters at Chingmiro, Mamanglaikai. And election duty officers to cease their work if their remuneration is not revised.